The after effects of the 9/11 terror attacks on the United States and nationalism. The events on 9/11 were truly devastating, taking almost 3,000 lives, and 300 of those being firefighters who went to the burning and crumbling buildings to help people out. Even though this was a dark time for the United States, everyone seemed to come together and unite under one common problem. At this time, the citizens of the United States stood side by side and took a stand. This theme is very important because it showed even though the people were faced with adversity, they still had the power and will to overcome it and fight back. It showed truly the sense of pride and passion that the citizens of the United States of America had. In remembrance, the city of New York built 2 reflecting pools, now has a 9/11 Memorial Museum, and built Freedom Tower 1, which is the tallest building in the New York City skyline.